embarking on the journey to save $10,000 in 6 months was a challenge that began with a clear goal. Understanding that a defined target is essential, I crafted a plan that felt both achievable and motivating. This would not only help me manage my finances, but also teach me valuable lessons in discipline and budgeting. Instead of viewing it as a daunting task, I embraced the challenge with enthusiasm and dedication, ready to transform my saving habits. The first step in my plan was to assess my current financial situation. I meticulously reviewed my income and expenses, taking note of necessary expenditures like rent, utilities, and groceries, while also identifying discretionary spending that could be trimmed. I discovered small yet impactful areas where I could cut back. For instance, reducing the frequency of dining out and canceling subscription services I rarely used. By implementing these adjustments, I quickly realized how minor changes could significantly accelerate my savings. After establishing a leaner budget, I shifted my focus to maximizing my income. I explored various side gigs tailored to my skills and interests, taking on freelance writing projects and tutoring students. Each additional paycheck contributed directly to my savings account, fueling my determination. I allocated every penny earned from these endeavors to an isolated savings account, treating it as a non-negotiable part of my monthly budget. This separation created a visual representation of my progress, transforming the abstract idea of saving into a tangible goal I could monitor daily. Crucially, I adopted a mindset centered around minimizing impulse purchases. Each time a desire for a luxury emerged, I asked myself if it was necessary and if it truly aligned with my savings goals. This habit cultivated a sense of appreciation for what I already possessed, allowing me to resist the urge to splurge. Additionally, I set up automatic transfers to my savings account, ensuring that the money I wanted to save was off limits the moment I received my paycheck. This systematic approach turned saving into second nature. As the months progressed, my savings gradually accumulated, and the excitement of watching my goal draw closer was electric. By the 6-month mark, I triumphantly exceeded my target, logging a total of $11,000 saved. This experience taught me invaluable lessons about budgeting, perseverance, and financial mindfulness, proving that with determination and a structured plan, anyone can reach their savings milestones.